As a lead in to our discussion about the design engineering aspect of data warehousing and specifically dimensional modeling, we do need to take a step back and ask, how will a data warehouse that we're building actually be used? Now, we know in the larger sense that every data warehouse or data mart's used to make data driven decisions, or at least that's our objective. And we saw when we discussed business intelligence that ideally we want those data driven decisions to involve the past, the present, the future, and even the unknown. So, different flavors, if you will, of business intelligence and analytics. Now, remember also, we've said that business intelligence and data warehousing both came onto the scene around the same time and had a very synergistic effect on each other. The growth of BI helped fuel data warehousing and vice versa, and the two of them sort of grew up together. Now, having said that, the specific category of business intelligence that we're going to embark on is actually going to drive the data models or the way in which we actually organize our data. So if you think about the categories of business intelligence that involve, think of it as basic reporting and online analytical processing or OLAP. Really, that's where dimensional modeling, the things that we'll talk about for the remaining part of this course, that's where they come into play. If you are going to be building a data warehouse to largely support predictive analytics or exploratory analytics, those really have different data models. So you may actually have some aspects of your overall data that will be structured dimensionally, but not all of it. You'll be building a lot of it into other forms that those flavors of analytics use. And that's something that we're not going to be covering in the rest of this course. So we're going to be focused on those top two, the basic reporting and the online analytical processing, because that's where the historic architecture or design engineering aspects of dimensional modeling will come into play.